businesses I wanted to interview was Poppy's Popcorn. They declined the interview, but they sent us samples. So we're going to be here today. We're taste testing some samples of popcorn. We have white cheddar, chai masala, peri peri, and garlic and herb. Come taste along with us. All right, white cheddar.
Okay. I like that. It's got mustard and tarragon too.
All right, so I had the cheese. I'm gonna go. That looks cheesy to me. I'm gonna try this one next.
Peri peri.
Oh, peri peri, not peri peri.
Peri peri. Oh yeah, spicy.
Ooh,
Wow.
delicious though.
Very good. Love it.
All right.
Ooh. Garlic and herb.
Yeah, garlic and herb.
Okay. Go for it.
Well, we kind of tasted these a little bit earlier. We know that, you know.
They're really good.
But the chai is sweet, so we want to have savory before we have our sweet. That's good.
I'm going for my favorite.
I'm going for my favorite.
Chai masala. Perfect balance of sweet and savory.
This is the winner. We want to thank Hannah from Poppy's Popcorn. Thank you for sending us this popcorn and letting us taste test it. We do like to include these popcorns in our client gifts. I think I'm going to start including this one for sure.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thanks for coming along, y'all. We'll see you again.